So good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about the benefits of mainly supplements, health supplements, vitamins and minerals in the management of the global pandemic, that is the coronavirus pandemic which we are facing right now, which is pathetic in straight simple language right now. So as we all know, the mainstay of management of COVID-19 pandemic, especially the pneumonia, is supportive care. We do not have any directly anti-COVID-19 medicines that are available except for some of the antiviral agents like Remdesivir. We do not have any other very potent medicines that can be given to the patients where 100% of the patients can be saved, which is leading to very high mortality and morbidity in the patients of COVID-19. So the WHO is recommending some of the vitamins and minerals that can be used in these patients, where we could boost the immune system of a human body so that less and less type of infection can be acquired and we can reduce the mortality as much as possible. So vitamin C is very important vitamin which is required for the human body, which is also called as ascorbic acid, and it is present in the serum and the leukocytes, and it is depleted during the acute stages of infection owing to increased metabolic demands. So high dose of vitamin C supplementation helps to normalize both the serum and the leukocytes of the vitamin C. So it has multiple pharmacological characteristics, antiviral, immunomodulatory characteristics, anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a potential therapeutic options for the patients who have been treated with COVID-19 pneumonias. So there have been some trials going on in the China and United States, which has proven the role of high dose intravenous vitamin C that can be given to these patients. We do not have any randomized studies as of now, but there are some reports that are coming from the FDA, from US and China, which suggests that high doses of vitamin C as high as 500 milligrams per day divided into 3 doses could be very effective for boosting the immune system of the human body, especially for the patients who are suffering from a severe pneumonia of scores of more than 20 or 25 on an HRCT. So given the fact that vitamin C is cheap, available, it is over-the-counter drug available everywhere, and we have multiple fruits and vegetables that are very high sources of vitamin C, which could be consumed in this time of extreme caution and havoc all over the country. So today I have made this video especially to let you know that what all things can be consumed to increase the amount of vitamin C in your body so that your body fights this infection very courageously. So as we all know, सबके घर में होता है lemons, ठीक है, नींबू. So lemon contains 77 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. So with one medium size lemon delivering 92% of the DV, which is the daily value. Nutrition has been always counted as a daily value, DV dose. Okay, so 92% of the DV could be supplied to the body through lemons. Second is oranges. ठीक है, oranges contain 53 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. One median orange delivers 70 milligrams of vitamin C. Third is parsley, which is also called as coriander, या जैसे हिंदी में हम धनिया कहते हैं, किंवा ज्याला मराठीत आपण कोथिंबीर म्हणतो. So this contains 133 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. Sprinkling 2 tablespoons of a little bit of coriander on your meal delivers 11% of the DV for the vitamin C. The fourth important fruit that we have for vitamin C is lychees, which are not very commonly available nowadays. You will get it in the markets for very high price right now, but still it is a good source of vitamin C. Nearly 7 milligrams could be delivered, which equals to 7.5% of the CV daily. Other than that, you can get papaya. Papaya is there in the market right now, which contains 62 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of papaya delivers around 87 milligrams of vitamin C. Next are strawberries. You can consume all type of berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, burberries. These all contain a very high source of vitamin C basically. So this all can be given. One thing that is very important to note while consuming high doses of vitamin C is that this has to be taken empty stomach. There is no much use if you are consuming it with food or even before and after food in a very short time, because the absorption of vitamin C from your gut is going to be very small, and most of the quantity that is non-absorbable is going to be excreted from your body through the stools or the urine. Okay, so the most recommended drink, that especially in the summers, I would recommend, which is also a very very high source of vitamin C, is a lemonade or orange lemonade with a little bit of coriander in it. So what you can do is you can take 100 grams of coriander, जो कि धनिया है, 100 grams of धनिया, एक medium size का नींबू, one medium size of lemon, squeeze that completely in a blender or a mixer, उसमें ये coriander डाल दो, एक कप पानी डाल दो, उसको अच्छे से घुमाओ, blend it very nicely. You can put ice if you want, if you want it to be a very nice chill drink, and you can consume it first thing in the morning before your breakfast. So once you get up, once you're done with your daily routine in the morning, exercise or whatever you do, you have to consume this empty stomach before any type of breakfast you're having. After consuming this drink, you can have your breakfast after almost say 30 to 45 minutes after this drink. So if you consume this lemonade, which is made up of a lemon or an orange, you will get around 100 milligrams of vitamin C from the coriander and around 100 milligrams of vitamin C from the lemons. So you are consuming around 150 to 160 milligram of vitamin C in the morning itself, and 100% of it is going to be absorbed from the guts. So if you do this twice daily, there is no need to take any additional supplement in the form of any tablet like Lemc 500 and all you are taking. So this is more than sufficient to consume it twice or thrice in a day. So it is very very important to take high doses of vitamin C in your diet. You can always supplement this with a little bit dose of vitamin D, especially in the people who are more than the age of 45 or 50. The children in the house need not be given any additional supplement of vitamin D. It is imperative for them to consume a little bit of early morning sunrise, which is all sufficient for satisfying the vitamin D demands of your body. So ये जो drink मैंने आपको अभी explain किया है, this is very very good to have in the morning and once in the afternoon. 100 grams of coriander, one medium size lemon, या तो फिर you can replace it with an orange also. और अगर आपको ये ड्रिंक आप सुबह भी ले सकते हैं और शाम में भी ले सकते हैं. विटामिन सी इससे बहुत अच्छा आपकी बॉडी को मिलेगा. इट विल बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी एंड यू कैन स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ऑल द इन्फेक्शंस. ओके, this can be consumed by people who have not had infection of COVID-19 and also by the people who have had the infection and are taking routine medicines as per the doctor's advice. So this can be taken by any person who is above the age of 18 years. For the children, you should give as less as possible. They can just have their normal diet as possible. They do not need any extra supplements of vitamin C or D in their diet. And you can always top your diet with a little bit of papaya, kiwi, या तो फिर parsley तो है ही. And you can use a lot of mushrooms are a good source. You can use a lot of broccoli. You can use cabbages, strawberry in your diet. So that will also give a lot of vitamin C in your diet. But always remember, these things are supposed to be consumed empty stomach and not with your food, because it will reduce the absorption of vitamin C from your diet अगर आप इसे खाने के साथ लेते हैं तो. So all this information, whatever I've told you, I've written it down in the post. So I'll also share the link of that post where you can go and read through everything. If you have any doubts, you can always reach me through my WhatsApp number, email, or call. No issues. So I'm always there to help. Stay home, take care, and make sure you educate others also. Thank you.